Hello, darlings. Welcome to Canberra, Australia's capital, a city often overlooked but full of hidden charm. Today I have just 24 hours to uncover its soul. Not just the landmarks, but the secret corners, the stories, the unexpected magic. The air is crisp, the city beautifully designed, and there's a sense of anticipation as the sun rises. I want you to feel the excitement with me. Imagine taking your first breath of this cool Canberra air. Our quest to capture the city's essence in a single day. We'll walk grand avenues, taste local food, and meet the people who make this city unique. So put on your most comfortable shoes and open your heart to adventure. Our 24 hours have officially started. Let's see what Canberra has in store. Our first stop is the National Museum of Australia, a bold, colourful building that stands as a gateway to the nation's past, present, and future. Its striking architecture with sweeping curves and vibrant panels hints at the diversity of stories waiting inside. As visitors stream through its doors, there's a sense of anticipation in the air. This is a place that celebrates the nation's stories, inviting everyone to discover what it truly means to be Australian. Inside, the museum is alive with tales from the Dreamtime to modern Australia. Every exhibit, from ancient Indigenous artifacts to contemporary displays, weaves together the threads of a complex and ever-evolving national identity. The Garden of Australian Dreams is a highlight, a symbolic landscape that lets you feel the vastness and diversity of the country. Here, you can wander through a living map, tracing the journeys of people and cultures across this wide land. I meet Margaret, a passionate volunteer, who reminds me that these stories shape who Australians are today. Her enthusiasm is infectious, and she brings the exhibits to life with personal anecdotes and a deep love for her country's heritage. Just nearby is the Australian War Memorial, a place of deep reverence and reflection. Its grand entrance and solemn atmosphere invite visitors to pause and remember. The Roll of Honour, lined with red poppies, is a moving tribute to those who sacrificed for the country. Each name etched in stone tells a story of courage, loss, and the enduring spirit of a nation. Walking these halls, you feel the weight and pride of history. The quiet footsteps and hushed voices echo the respect held for those who came before us. These institutions aren't just buildings, they're the keepers of Australia's memory, safeguarding the stories that have shaped the nation for generations. They ground us in the stories and struggles that define this land, reminding us of the resilience and creativity that continue to drive Australia forward. It's a powerful start to our day, giving our adventure a sense of purpose and connection to the heart of the country. Now let's add a splash of colour to our morning. Canberra's creative energy is everywhere, from bold public art to the vibrant spirit of its people. Canberra's culture is just getting started. The city buzzes with festivals, performances, and a community that embraces both tradition and innovation. The city spirit is alive in every story, every artifact, and every shared experience. Here, history and creativity walk hand in hand. It's time to see how art brings this spirit to life, transforming ideas into vibrant expressions that capture the essence of Australia. Let's move on to our next destination. The adventure continues, and there's so much more to discover in the heart of Australia. Next, we step into the National Gallery of Australia, a place where creativity bursts from every wall, and every corner promises a new discovery. This is more than just a gallery. It's a vibrant celebration of culture, imagination, and the stories that shape us. The Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander art collection is breathtaking, the largest in the world. Each piece is a window into ancient traditions and living cultures, with colors and patterns that seem to dance before your eyes. The Aboriginal Memorial, a forest of painted log coffins, tells a powerful story of history and survival. It's a moving tribute, inviting us to reflect on the resilience and spirit of Australia's first peoples. Art here isn't just seen, it's felt. Visitors are drawn in, moved by the emotion and meaning woven into every brushstroke and sculpture. Outside, the sculpture garden is a playful blend of art and nature. Strolling among the sculptures, you feel the creativity spill out into the open air, transforming the landscape into a living canvas. Fog sculptures, abstract forms, and lakeside views make it a delight. The garden is ever-changing, with each visit offering something new to discover. whether it's a hidden artwork or a fresh perspective. From Pollock's blue poles to Monet's water lilies, every piece invites you to see the world anew. Masterpieces from around the globe sit side by side, sparking curiosity and conversation. Art connects us, inspires us, and reveals the city's creative pulse. Here, strangers become friends, united by the wonder and beauty that surrounds them. After this feast for the soul, I'm ready for a taste of local life. The gallery leaves me energized, eager to see what else Canberra has to offer. Let's find Canberra's lively side. The city's streets are alive with energy, creativity, and the promise of new adventures. The city's energy is calling. There's a buzz in the air, a sense that something exciting is always just around the corner. Time to explore its heart. Every street and square has its own story waiting to be uncovered. Our journey is just beginning. With every step, Canberra reveals a little more of its vibrant soul. Onward to the buzz of city life, where every moment is a chance to experience something unforgettable. As noon arrives, we dive into Braddon, a neighborhood alive with creativity and community. Quirky boutiques, indie bookshops, and bustling cafes line the streets. I grab a flat white at Lonsdale Street Roasters, surrounded by students and artists. A chat with a local design student reveals Canberra's secret big city culture with a small town feel. At Hague Park Village markets, stalls overflow with fresh produce, artisan crafts, and local honey. The market is a vibrant hub where the community comes together. Here, Canberra's true pulse beats, not in monuments, but in these joyful, everyday moments. The city is warm, welcoming, and full of character. It's a place where creativity thrives and people connect. Our midday adventure is a delicious slice of local life. Canberra's charm is in its people and its energy. Now let's see what surprises the afternoon holds. The adventure continues. Our afternoon plans change when a motorcade leads us to Parliament House. The building itself is iconic, built into Capitol Hill with sweeping views from its grassy roof. Inside, we catch a lively debate in the House of Representatives. The atmosphere is electric, passionate, noisy, and utterly captivating. It's democracy in action, messy and real. This spontaneous detour is a highlight, a reminder that the best travel moments are often unplanned. Behind the grand facade, real people shape the nation's future. It's a powerful, unexpected glimpse into Australian life. Now, as the sun dips lower, it's time for a calming walk by the lake. After the buzz of politics, we seek nature's peace. Canberra's contrasts are what make it special. Let's find the city's green heart. At Lake Burley Griffin, the city's noise fades into the gentle sounds of water and wind. Here, the heart of Canberra beats quietly, inviting you to slow down and take in the beauty that surrounds you. The lake is more than just a body of water. It's a meeting place for locals and visitors alike, a tranquil escape right in the city's core. We hire bicycles and glide along the lakeside, passing picnics, rowers, and sunlit parks. The path winds gently, offering glimpses of families laughing, friends sharing stories, and athletes training on the sparkling water. Every turn reveals a new scene of life unfolding by the lake. The Captain Cook Memorial Jet erupts, a spectacular sight against the mountains. Its spray catches the sunlight, creating rainbows that dance above the water, drawing the eyes of everyone nearby. We ride through the National Arboretum, a living library of rare trees planted after devastating bushfires. Each grove tells a story of resilience and renewal, and the air is filled with the promise of new growth. The scent of Himalayan cedars and panoramic city views remind us how Canberra lives in harmony with nature. From this vantage point, the city's buildings peek through the treetops, never overpowering the landscape but blending into it. Here, urban life and natural beauty blend seamlessly. Parks and gardens are woven into the city's fabric, making green spaces accessible to everyone. In minutes, you can go from political debate to peaceful forest. The transition is effortless, a reminder that nature is never far away in Canberra. This is the city's green soul, a place for quiet, for renewal. Whether you seek solitude or connection, these spaces offer a gentle refuge from the rush of daily life. Canberra values space, greenery, and calm, Its parks and gardens are cherished, providing room to breathe and space to dream. As the sun sets, golden light shimmers on the lake. The city slows and the water reflects the changing sky, painting everything in warm hues. I feel a deep sense of peace. The gentle breeze, the soft sounds of evening, and the beauty of the landscape create a moment of pure contentment. The city's spirit is rooted in its landscape. Canberra's design ensures that nature is always close, shaping the way people live and connect. Evening is upon us. Let's discover Canberra's nighttime charm, where the city glows softly and nature remains ever present, even after dark. As twilight falls, we head to Kingston Foreshore, a stylish waterfront precinct glowing with life. Restaurants and bars light up the harbour, laughter and conversation filling the air. We dine on local barramundi and crisp white wine, savouring the region's flavours. The setting is magical. City lights twinkle as day fades to night. After dinner, a stroll along the boardwalk reveals art galleries, salsa dancers, and a friendly, relaxed vibe. Kingston Foreshore feels like a hidden gem, sophisticated yet welcoming. Here, Canberra shows its love for good food, community, and beautiful spaces. From market honey to elegant dinners, the city's flavour is unforgettable. Canberra knows how to relax and celebrate life. The evening is a perfect end to our culinary journey. The city's charm shines brightest at night. But there's one last view to see. Let's take in Canberra under the stars. Our adventure nears its end. Our final stop is Mount Ainslie, overlooking Canberra's glittering nightscape. The city's design is clear from above. Grand avenues, glowing lights, and a sense of order. It's a breathtaking, quiet moment. Reflecting on our day, I see how Canberra's contradictions make it captivating. Formal yet fun, historic yet creative. This city rewards those who listen closely. In just one day, we've glimpsed its many faces and felt its spirit. A single day isn't enough to know a city, but it's enough to fall in love. I leave with gratitude and wonder. Canberra, you've surprised and charmed me. Thank you for sharing this adventure. The journey has been unforgettable. Until next time, let's keep exploring. Our whirlwind day in Canberra comes to a close. I hope you felt the thrill, tasted the flavors, and breathed the fresh air with me. Canberra is a city of heart, depth, and hidden treasures. It's a place that inspires and surprises. Travel is about stories, connections, and letting a place change you. This isn't goodbye, just a pause until our next adventure. Let's keep exploring together, sharing journeys and inspiration. Your curiosity means the world to me. Where shall we go next? The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me in Canberra. Until we meet again, keep your spirit of adventure alive. Goodbye for now, darlings.